Hello friends, I am an CSIR aspirant. So let's prepare for the exam through question papers. I have taken December 2019 question paper. In part A, we are going to see how many non-square rectangles are there in the following figure considering of 7 squares. So they have given 7 squares and we have to consider it as non-square rectangles. So we have to count the rectangles. This is one rectangle 1 and this is 2 as one rectangle 2 and the whole thing as one rectangle 3 and this one as a rectangle number 4, this one is one rectangle 5 and these two boxes are one rectangle 6, this one 7 and these 3 consider as 8 and these 3 as 9 and the whole 4 boxes as 10. So we have 10 rectangles. There is 5 drivers were in the following situation. M was following V. So how we can write here M was following V. So V is in the first place and M is in the second place. R was just ahead of T. R was just ahead of T and K was the only one between T and V. So K was the only one between T and V. So V comes after K and M was the last one. Now we can find who was in the second place at that instant. One, two. So T is in the second place. A 4-wheel cart is going around a circular track. Which of the following statement is correct? The 4 wheels are free to rotate independent of each other and the cart negotiates the track stably. All wheels rotate at the same speed. The 4 wheels have different speed each. The wheels closer to the inside of the track move slower than the outer side wheels. The wheels closer to the inside of the track move faster than the outside wheels. So we consider a circular path. In a circular path, a cart has 4 wheels. The wheels closer to the circular path move slower because it has to cover minimum distance. But the wheels farther than the circular path has to cover more distance compared to the wheels closer to the circular path. So the wheels inside the wheels nearer to the circular path move slower and the wheels farther from the circular path have to move faster. So the answer is the wheels closer to the inside of the track move slower than the outside wheels. Next question. Karan's house is 20 meters to the east of the Rahul's home. So we have to put the directions like this: north, south, east and west. So Karan's house is 20 meters to the east of Rahul's home. Let us consider Rahul's home is here. So Karan's home is towards east from the Rahul's home. So 20 meters from Rahul's home. Mehul's house is 25 meters to the northeast of Rahul's house. So Mehul's house is northeast, 25 meters of Rahul's home. With respect to Mehul's house, in which direction is Karan's house? From Mehul's house, we have to see in which direction Karan's house. Downwards. So, downwards, which direction it indicates? South. So, the answer is south. The mean of a set of 10 numbers is n. First, what is mean by mean? Mean is average of the numbers given. So let us consider a set having 3 numbers 1, 2, 3. So how do we calculate the mean for the set? by adding the total of the numbers and divided by the number of numbers there. So adding the total numbers given and divided by the number of numbers there. How many numbers are there? 1, 2 and 3. There are 3 numbers. So adding you will get 6. So this will be the mean. So they are given that the mean of a set of 10 numbers is m. So the set contains 10 numbers. So combining the set with the second set of m numbers, the mean of the combined set becomes 10. So what they are asking is, what is the sum of the second set of numbers? So nothing but the sum of the numbers. So sum of the numbers. For this the answer is 2. So how will we get the sum of this number? We know the total number of numbers present in the set is 3. So by multiplying 3 to 2 it will give 6. So we can know what is the sum of the numbers. By the same method, this set contains 10 numbers. So the mean is 10. So multiplying the mean with the total number of numbers, we can get the sum of the numbers. So the answer is 100. What is the ratio of the surface area of a cube? So what is the surface area of the cube formula? It is 6a square. So area of the square is a square. In a cube, there will be 6 sides. 1, 2, opposite of the back side, 3, 4, and up and down 5, 6. So area of the square into number of sides. Surface area of the cube will be 6a square. The side given is 1 centimeter. So it will be 6 into 1 square. So answer will be 6 centimeter square. To the total surface area of the cube formed by breaking the original cube into identical cubes of this side 1 millimeter. They have given this cube have to be break. The 1 centimeter cube have to be break into identical cubes. It has to be broken into identical cubes of many. So we will find how many identical cubes it will be break into. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So 1 millimeter will be considered as 0.1 centimeter. So how many number of small cubes will be formed? We will be calculating this by volume of big cubes by volume of small cubes formed. It will be the volume of big cube. Volume formula is a cube. So the side is 1 centimeter. So 1 cube by 1 millimeter will be considered as 0.1 centimeter. So 0.1 whole cube. 0.1 will become 0.001. So we will simplify this by multiplying 1000. So the answer will be 1000 smaller cubes will be formed. So they have asked what is the ratio of the surface area of a cube with side 1 centimeter to the total surface area of the cubes formed by breaking the original cube into identical cubes of side 1 millimeter. So original cube, the original cube surface area will be 6. We have find this as 6. And the identical cube surface area will be, we have to find as 1000 smaller cubes. So the number of cubes formed is 1000. So 1000 into 6 into the A. The A side is 0.1. So 0.1 square. So it will become 60. So the ratio is 6 by 60 is equal to 1 by 10. So that's all for today. Let's learn the remaining questions tomorrow. Thank you.